Terra Kota House by Terra Firma Architects in Ahmedabad, India. The house, situated on the outskirts of Ahmedabad, India, is surrounded by a canopy of the Yellow Gulmohar trees. It was designed for a family of 4, where the parents would spend their retired life while the children would be engrossed in developing their careers. Fundamentally, it had to respond to the needs of 2 generations where one can come together to enjoy each other's company, but also respect their time alone. Keeping in mind such a brief, the architecture responds to a variety of spaces of various scales where one can unwind. This house thus responds to the climate and the lifestyle of the inhabitants. The use of Kota stone and terrazzo for flooring, maximum wooden windows, and inbuilt seatings was to keep the home timeless and user-friendly. Built on a frame structure, the house consists of 9 squares that hold and negotiate the program with the surrounding grids. The built form is essentially a cuboid carved in and projected out in response to the functions inside. However, when one enters the built form, the axis of orienting is twisted diagonally by the entry, which contradicts the overall massing of the cuboid. Further, as one progresses, the paths diverge into 2, of which one moves towards the kitchen and the other to the sunken seating in the center of the house. This central seating is a double volume, which visually connects the entire house and brings it together. It has been designed to be the most social and interactive space in the house. The staircase is a central element here, which wraps around the sunk seating and stretches from one corner to the other in the form of bridges. The first floor consists of 2 bedrooms on the south and west sides that overlook the double volume internally, thus creating a very visually connected space. The functions are distributed based on the use of that space and its microclimate. For instance, the west and south sides house the bedrooms that are predominantly used during early mornings and nights. So it is largely undisturbed by the day's heat. The dining and living spaces that are going to be used throughout the day remain cool because of north and east orientation. The studio space on the 2nd floor is above the bedrooms, thus creating a shaded terrace for most part of day. Light and shadow form an integral part of the spaces inside the house. The skylights, northern facades, and all the openings otherwise have been designed in a manner such that least amount of sunlight penetrates inside the house to keep it cooler while maintaining enough daylight. North facade has maximum openings, while other facades and openings have been though about with respect to the lighting conditions.